All right, everybody, meteorologist Pete Mangione here, and we're off to our next snowstorm. Man, it's been a pretty active weekend, right? All right, new information coming in still suggests this will be a mostly snow event for us, maybe a little bit of mixing along the south coast. So this is what one of the computer models thinks. Still expecting snow to arrive between around 7 and 9 p.m. and still the possibility of some mixing overnight. I will tell you that a lot of our computers, at least as of into this part of the day, have trended towards colder solutions, meaning it would favor more snow than mixing. But this particular model has been a little more aggressive with its thoughts on mixing. You can see that mixing line may even get up into Providence, but it may not. In fact, our thoughts maybe have it never making it to the capital city. That's why we have a bit more snow in that part of the forecast. And then as we go into Monday morning, most of this should be over. You could get another little dose of snow late Monday morning, but I'm thinking the bulk of the accumulation is done by about 7 o'clock in the morning or so. So here's what we're thinking. Actually, this is a winter storm warning in effect that will start at 7 p.m. tonight. Here is what we're thinking. There we go. 5 to 8 down through Providence, Warwick, 3 to 6, and then 1 to 3 for the immediate south coast. That's the trickiest part of the forecast, that south coast portion. Right now, I'd say that 1 to 3 is for the immediate areas right along the water, Narragansett, Jamestown, Newport. Because of potential for mixing, you may be reduced for accumulations there. But you go just a few miles north, and you could easily get up to 3 to 6 inches of snow. So say, for instance, if you're in a north or south Kingstown, I'd put you in that part of the forecast. Please keep tuning back in. We'll continue to update you throughout the day as there still may be some additional tweaks that we make to the forecast. Have a great day.